All right, everyone, in this video, gearing up for the week ahead, I hear a lot of people calling for the top to be in 90K, 100K here, where Bitcoin has reached. I'm going to show you why that is not the case, why I am expecting much higher here on the Bitcoin chart. It just simply does not look finished. And for it to look finished, I need some type of a consolidation into a wave 4, into a wave 5. I'm going to go over all that today. I am not looking for this to exactly play out, but if I see that, I will call it to be finished. I will show you exactly what I am kind of expecting to play out. We're also going to go smaller time frame. I'm going to show you what I'm expecting over the course of the next 2 days here, Monday, Tuesday into Wednesday, for this week ahead in Bitcoin. If you guys watch this video and you want to learn how I trade based off of Elliott wave theory. I only trade Bitcoin and Ethereum. I leverage trade them. If you want to learn more about that, join the free Discord pinned in the first comment down below. Check out the Learn section. I have an Elliott wave trading course for free in the Discord. Check it out. It'll get a nice overview of how I trade right there. Let's get into it. All right. I hear a lot of people saying 90K, 100K, you know, top is in here. This is it. Be careful, which, yes, be careful. I do think a solid retrace is due. I'm going to start by saying the RSI's indicators, they're kind of maxed out. I need this to retrace. I need this to retrace, guys. The most obvious option here is that we just keep pumping, put in a finishing structure like this. This is what I need to see. You know, right now we just have a simple do. That's not finished in any way, shape, or form. If this dumps, I would be expecting another quick pump up out of here. I'm not expecting this dump, though. I will tell you that right now. I'm expecting a different kind of dump, which we're going to go over in a second. Bear with me. Now, I'm looking at this as some type of a leading diagonal, right? We're pumping up out of here. That's great. I need at least consolidation here. If we're going to stay up here, great. We can stay up there. I will show you when I'm playing smaller time frame. But then, keep pushing in an upwards trajectory. Finish out our wave 3 and then consolidate for our wave 4 into a wave 5. The fact of the matter is, guys, we consolidated here for 7.5 months. We went sideways for 7.5 months. Do you think 7.5 months of sideways consolidation preparation is just going to be one simple little pump out of here and that's it? That's all they consolidated for this whole time? Just this little that's it? No, this is, to me, much higher. If you've been around the channel for a while, I was calling for lower here, but overall this pump up out of here was obvious, guys. But it's, when is it going to happen, right? You know, as a trader, I trade the ups and downs, and this zone was a gold mine for me. I'm so thankful we had the 7.5 month sideways consolidation period. Finally ripped out of here. I was looking for this to come down up in here, and then rip out of here, right? So here we are, and it's just not finished at all. What am I expecting to happen here? And then we'll go smaller time frame. What am I expecting to happen here? Because this is the most obvious thing, but at the end of the day, RSI momentum is, everything's kind of capped out. Let's reset a little bit. Right? Now, what I think would absolutely, excuse my language, fuck everyone up here is if we hit them with something like this, which I did touch on in yesterday's video. And I'm just going to touch on it again real quick. Still have that leading diagonal for our one wave here. Into a 2. Into our big wave 3. Guys, these targets are way up here. These targets are way higher. And we're going to go back in history here. Give me a second. And I'm going to show you a perfect example of this on Bitcoin. Currently, from this breakout, it's been about 30%. We've hit to the upside. Something like this would give you, boom, 150%. Now, that's the kind of movement I would expect after a consolidation period this long. A big move that makes it worth the time and effort spent accumulating down here for the whales and the institutions. They're not going to do that just for this little and then distribute up here and then dump it. You know, it's just not going to happen. So I'm looking at way higher. I'm expecting a nice solid liquidity sweep, just a zigzag type structure here, and we're gonna go smaller time frame. I'm gonna show you what I'm looking at for it to play out right now. What's looking good to me. Zigzag type structure that really comes in deep, for lack of a better term, test the breakout, but it will look quite bearish, and then we just absolutely rip up out of here. I hear a lot of people saying once we break it, there's no pullback. There's no pullback. It just goes. Yeah, okay. Cool. All right, so, well, then you should be longing up here, bro. Long this, and try to catch this up here. Or do you think top's in? I don't know. Do your thing. I'll do my thing. Now, let's go back in time. I'm going to show you this real quick. It's on the 12-hour. Guys, I need 12-hour to give me a reset. I need these time frames to give me a reset on everything, to even entertain the possibility of way higher targets. If it doesn't, and if we just kind of coast up here, yeah, 130K is where I'm looking at topping out. 100K is just too easy of a target for me. I'm sorry. Too simple, too straightforward. Everyone's looking at 100K. I don't see it happening. So I'm looking at 130. There's fib targets. I'm not going to pull them right now, but the 130K looks kind of nice to me. If we continue upwards with no solid correction, right? If we just consolidate up, 130K is what I'm looking at. Now, this sideways consolidation could reset the 12-hour. And then we could spike up one more time, put in our divergence, and then drop, right? But what I'm looking to happen, if we go back in time, this is in 2020, July 2020. We had this consolidation into a breakout. How long was this consolidation? This was short. 68 days. How long is this? Yeah. So here's a perfect example of what I'm expecting. We had a massive breakout here. Massive breakout, right? This breakout was, here, let's remove everything. It was 30% right there. Huge breakout. We had what followed was some consolidation real quick, but a zigzag correction that just dropped way down here, guys. Way down here, deep, testing the breakout. Broke below this high that was put in, but just testing the breakout, and then we freaking rallied, right? Do I think a 400% move is coming in? No. Do I think it's going to play out exactly like this? No. But this is what I am looking for here. You know, to everyone that thinks it's crazy that something like that would happen, I don't know what to tell you. You know, you guys see a breakout here and you say, oh, there's no pullbacks. It just keeps going. Okay, that's great. This is what I'm seeing. Now let's go smaller time frame, and I'm going to show you how I'm playing this right now. Currently, we are sitting long over in the premium Discord. Posted the swing alert. Swing long on this sucker right now. If you guys want access to the premium channels, all my alerts, live streams are going to go live tonight and Monday through Friday live. Whoa. Go to upgrade here in the free Discord. Use code ATH for $30 off your first month. It's only going to be available while BTC is above 85K. Second it goes below, this code is not available. So code ATH will give you $30 off your first month. If you want to get premium and try 24/7 live charts constantly in the chat, all my indicators are included. All that good stuff. Give it a try. Check it out. Posted the swing alert that we are long on this right now. I was looking at this to be a finished correction down. Really got some sideways action over the weekend. To be expected. Finally got the sweep of liquidity here that we were looking for, and looking to take this up to all-time high. Going to be closing out the position around all-time high, right? Now, what I'm looking for, and these things change. So I'm okay with exiting my position. But as of right now, I'm looking for a corrective wave to the upside to match this corrective wave here. Really, just a big corrective wave. We're putting in a flat, guys, from what I can see. We have a correction down, correction up, looking to be an impulsive wave down off the top. Something that looks pretty dumpy. Let's come down here, take this lower liquidity. So let's come grab the upper liquidity, take the lower liquidity, and let's go back up for another wave up towards 100K. Up towards 100K, right? Another good entry is going to be if you see this up move and a retrace, another good entry is going to be right here. But I will keep everyone updated in the premium Discord, and we're gonna zoom out here and see what this means in 1 second. If you guys want to trade this stuff, check out Blowfin. There are no KYC available in all countries. Chart Junkies has the best initial deposit campaign available right now. If you can find a better one, go ahead and use it. You will not find a better one. $10,000 in deposit and trade rewards. There's a $450 bonus just for $1,000 deposit. Where else are you gonna find that? You're not. There is trading volume requirements as well, so check that out. But this is the best promotion they have running with the most monies. I hook it up for you guys because I annoy the fuck out of them every single month for the best promotion. Here it is. That's all pinned in the first comment down below. All the important links are down in the first comment down below. Now, heading back over, where are we headed once we put in the structure of a flat? Really, guys, I'm just kind of pulling fibs here. I'm going to show you how I do this. Just kind of pulling fibs. Want to see a quick break of the highs. 93.5, 93.6, somewhere up in there. For this WXY, boom, boom, boom. You could just pull fibs on that. We came down to the 1-to-1 perfectly. As you can see, let me get rid of this one. As you can see, perfect hit off the 1-to-1. It's beautiful. You guys know I love that target. Hit a little fair value gap action here for those of you that love the fair value gaps. And yeah, I'm looking for this to come up, sweep the highs. Boom, 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 sweep the lows, liquidity sweeper, put in a final leg. And what would this mean for the overall structure? 100K. Let's go near 100K. Let's get everyone bearish. Let's dump it on them. Everyone thinks the top's in 100K. They think they're Warren Buffett. They sold everything at 100K. But really, we just get a solid ABC correction. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. Start, finish. We put in an ABC correction. Down in here, very deep. Very deep. And really, it's just, we put in our 1, 2. This is a second 1, 2 for the absolute monster wave. I like it. I love it. We'll see if it plays out. I will keep you guys posted. I'll see you over in Premium Discord. Click upgrade here in the free Discord. Check out the course if you want to learn Elliott Wave. It's free. Sign up for Blowfin. Don't be stupid. Everyone's using them. They're no KYC. And cash in on those massive deposit bonuses. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Trade safe, everyone. I love you. Peace.